NITTO KOHKI was founded in Tokyo, Japan. We provide energy and labor-saving cutting-edge technology. The Quick Connect couplings, created using our expertise in hydraulic engineering, materials engineering, and high-precision machining technology. Our vast lineup includes 25,000 different variations. The machines and tools for metalwork and screw fastening. They offer excellent performance, functionality, and usability. The linear motor-driven pumps run oilless, quiet, compact, with low power consumption. The door closers that silently and safely operate using a hydraulic mechanism and spring. Our products find ever-expanding applications in various fields, such as in health, welfare, and medical instruments. In Japan, retailers, distributors, and NITTO KOHKI act in unison and form our unique network. We're here to provide you with the best solutions to match your needs. The NITTO KOHKI Group has a global network with sales offices all around the world to support manufacturing around the globe. The NITTO KOHKI Group has 3 production bases in Japan. We produce high-quality products both in Japan and abroad. In our efforts to help the environment, our head office, Japanese and Thai plants have all obtained ISO 14001 certification. We develop the creative products that stand at the forefront of our times. NITTO KOHKI's energy and labor-saving technology focuses on you to enable smooth operation. We believe that our uncompromising devotion to reliable technology will help us focus on people. This is how we will enhance the growth of the industry, enrich lives, and contribute to society. Dedicated to bettering your life. We are NITTO KOHKI.